Okay, today I'm going to be showing you a really easy way to transform just a basic poster frame. So I just got a regular, this is a 16 by 24 poster frame. It was black and I spray painted it with rose gold spray paint. I used this Rust-Oleum metallic finish in rose gold and let it dry. So that's where we're at now. But the paint can chip off easily and I wanted to make it glittery, of course. So I mixed some Mod Podge in with this craft glitter in rose gold. So I have that here and I'm just going to paint the poster frame. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry for a few hours and then I'll come back and see if I need to do a second coat. I actually got a set of 3 posters from Amazon. So we have Brigitte Bardot, we have Audrey Hepburn, and then Marilyn Monroe is on my patio. I just did the same thing with that frame. So I just think it's super cute. All right, so I'll be back. Okay, so it looks pretty, but I put a second layer of the Mod Podge and glitter on Marilyn Monroe, and I just really like the way it came out. So I'm going to put a second layer on Brigitte. Okay, so the second layer has dried, and this is the completed picture poster frame. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with how this turned out. I can't believe this was just a plain black poster frame and now it is super glam. I can't wait to hang these up. So yeah, like I said, super easy way to make something go from drab to glam. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. I will see you next time.